Alright, today we will look into Cambridge Assessment International Education Science Stage 7 Paper 1 2023 paper question 6. Okay. Question 6. Chen tests some chemicals with universal indicator. So, universal indicator is a solution which we used in chemistry to determine the pH of a substance. So, it changes color depending on the pH level of the solution it mixed with. So, here is the basic pH color chart for a universal indicator. So, we can see from 1 to 3 is usually strong acid. 4 to 6 usually weak acid. 7 is neutral substance. 8 to 10 is usually weak alkali. 11 to 14 usually strong alkali. So use the pH chart to answer the question here. Okay. Write down the pH of a vinegar. So pH of a vinegar here is this 4. So we can write 4/4. Paint stripper is tested with universal indicator. So here is the paint stripper. Write down the color of the universal indicator after the test. So universal indicator for a strong alkali it will show purple color or violet. Pure water is neutral, so write down the pH of a neutral solution. Neutral solution usually will have pH of 7. Which chemical in the pH chart is the most acidic? So this is the most acidic, lemon juice. Now we will see experiment related to pH of a substance.
그냥 거친 말들로 내 맘에 상처를 내어놓고 미안하단 말 한마디 없이도 날 혼자 위로하고 오늘 하루도 혹시나 떠날까 늘 불안해해 I just want you to stay 점점 무뎌져가는 너의 그 무표정 속에 천천히 내려놓자면 거울에 속삭이곤 해 늘 당연하게 생각하는 너지만 그게 너다워 그래도 stay, stay, stay with me 널 닮은 듯한 슬픈 멜로디 이렇게 나를 아직 날 사랑하니 내 맘과 같다면 오늘은 떠나지 마 굳이 너여야만 하는 이유 묻지 마 그저 내 곁에 Stay with me It goes a little something like La 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 지금 당장 사실은 난 더 바라는 게 없어 이제 심장은 뛰긴 하는 건지 무감각해 그래 사람들과의 억지스런 한마디보다 너와의 어색한 침묵이 차라리 좋아 So stay 그게 어디가 될까 말야 가끔 어둠이 올 때면 I'll be a fire 거짓 같은 세상 속 유일한 truth is you This a letter from me to you 널 닮은 듯한 슬픔